In this video, I will show you how to make this gorgeous mesh crochet skirt for your doll. If you prefer a written pattern for this skirt, you can grab one in my Etsy shop. I will leave you the link down below. And in the next video, I will make a matching top. So subscribe to my channel to not miss it. Let's get started. To make this skirt, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 8, 2 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. Make a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Insert your hook into the second chain and make a single crochet. And make 3 more single crochet to the end of this chain. 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and turn your work. And right now we will just work with back loop. So not through like usual through both loops, but only through this back loop. And again, we will work a row of single crochet. So we will have 4 single crochet here, but working just in back loop. 2, 3, and this last one usually is quite hidden. Okay, we have 4. Chain 1, turn your work, and we will make exactly the same. So just in back loop, we'll make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, turn your work, and we will work like this until we have a piece long enough to cover your doll hips when you stretch it. So I will keep working and I will show you how it has to look like in a moment. I made 33 rows. This is how it looks like already. Okay, and I will take Emma for a moment. So I will show you that right now this piece will fit well in her waist, but also when I stretch it, okay, it will pass through her hips. So if you use different yarn or you have different dolls, these are these 2 things that you have to have in your mind making this skirt. Okay, I will put my hook back. Right now I will chain 1 and I will fold this ribbing because it's a ribbing, and I will join it through both parts. So I will insert my hook here in the first stitch and here in the same space. Okay, and I will just make a slip stitch, and I will repeat the same with the rest of the stitches here. So in the end we will have, okay, it's a little bit tricky here, but in the end I will have 4 slip stitches. So I will make these 2 more and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so this is how my waistband looks like right now. I will chain 1 and I will flip it like this. So these 4 slip stitches that we made here, they will stay inside our skirt. I already chained one, but I will chain two more. So a chain of 3, and in the same place I will make a double crochet. So here I have two double crochet, as I count this chain 3 as a double crochet. Go to the next space, it will be here, and make one double crochet. Okay, now go to the next space, it's here, and make two double crochet in the same place. In the next space here I will make one double crochet, and in the next one two double crochet, and just keep working like this to the end. So one double crochet, and in the next space two double crochet. Okay, I worked all over. If I didn't make any mistake, I finished with one double crochet, but honestly it doesn't matter. So here I will make a slip stitch in the third chain of this chain 3 that we made in the beginning. So this is how it looks like right now. Now chain 3. Okay, so this we will count again as a double crochet, but now chain one more. So we have chain of 4, because now we will work also double crochet in each double crochet of the previous round, but between every stitch we will make chain 1. So here we will count it as a double crochet and chain 1. Now insert your hook into the next space, next stitch, and make a double crochet. Okay, chain 1, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next one, and just keep going to the end of this round. I've just made my last double crochet. After this double crochet, again chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the third chain of this chain as we started the round. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is whole pattern. This is what we will repeat from this moment. So chain 4, 2, 3, 4, make double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and again double crochet in every stitch, but remember to chain 1 between stitches. And just keep going, keep working like this until desired length. I will make a maxi skirt, but obviously it only depends on you, and if you prefer a mini skirt or a midi skirt, you can make it also. So when I finish my maxi skirt, I will tell you how many rounds I had to make, and I will show you how to finish your skirt. Okay, so I've just finished my round number 30, counting with this first one of double crochet that we made. And right now the only thing we have to do is to finish this bottom part. So here I will just chain 1 and I will make single crochet all over. So here in this first stitch, so in the same place, I will make a single crochet. Next single crochet I will make in this chain 1 space. Next single crochet will be here in this double crochet, and I will just work like this in chain 1 space, and double crochet, making some single crochets all over to the end of this round. I will make my last single crochet in this chain one space. Here I will just make a slip stitch in the first single crochet that we made, chain one, cut the yarn. I will weave in these two ends and our skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.